Hello guys, today I am with Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus and the Android device named OIP 30 Pro, and I want to show you how to transfer data between these two devices. And of course I'm gonna transfer data from the Huawei to the Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus. So for the first we have to download the application we are going to use, and I got one, and this is the application name Clone It on the both devices. As you can see, I highly recommend this application because it's very simple to use. So of course, for the first you have to go to the Google Play Store and just download this application. If you do, just open this application on the both devices, on the Huawei and on the Samsung. And right now we have to choose from which phone we are going to send data. Of course we are going to send from the Huawei to the Samsung, so click sender here and receiver here. Click on the search again. Now we have to wait until our Samsung find the Huawei. And as you can see, here we are, the Android share. So click to the pair, and right now we can just connect from the input the password. Password is here. But of course we can also scan QR code, and I'm going with this way because it's much faster. Okay, and now we have to wait a few moments. Now accept the request on the Android device, and right now, as you can see, we can choose whatever we want from the Huawei. So I will go for the details and go with the music. So I will pick one song just to show you that it works. Probably we are going for Post Malone Circles. Okay, click on the start, click on the OK. It's importing, and as you can see it's on 100% imported, so click on the finish on the both devices. And right now when we are going to the files on the Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus, we will find in the audio the music from the Post Malone, and as you can see there are the Post Malone Circles music song. So this is how it works on this device. Thank you for watching, leave likes, subscriptions, and of course comments below.